Okay, my people, now welcome back to my channel. How una dey? I hope una dey fine. How everything? I hope everything dey fine with una. For me, as una dey see, I dey fine. I thank God for everything. My people, I don't come back again with another news, another ogbonge one. Wey be say, if you see this one, my people, it go chocolize you. If everywhere don't read, my people. I say only me one not go see this video. Make una also see this video, make una settle down, watch this video till the end. I beg my people also, if you never subscribe to this channel, what do you they wait for? As you subscribe, you could see more video like this one. Okay, my people, I beg, make una subscribe, like and share. For this junction, I go to leave una. Make una watch the video, and I also see you now for the next one. Okay, my people, see you all. Stay blessed. Stay cool, and I love you all, and bye-bye.
Abana me go try and follow you. Go try and follow, because wetin you do, they know they do like that. If that true, now your hand this thing be, they know they do like that, madam. You understand? The ghost of our land, of our ancestors, is still existing. You understand? It still existing. To take somebody out of this world does not make sense. 2 weeks ago, I've been 1 week ago, one camera. No man with me or balegbe. The mess not taking loss in opinion. You let the ghost to do something. You can't say because of someone said something. It provoke you. Then for some bad thing to happen to somebody, that is the only way to adjust it. Huh? I'm from royal family. The ghost of our land, our ancestors, is still existing. Even though some people are making a big mistake that they could not draw attention or something like that, that does not mean the ghost does not exist. It's still living, still existing. Our forefather is still existing. Madam Oyesan, even though you even check, say this person they joke, they do like this, not be like this. When we all see this social media, many people are full of stories. They create their event, they say things they are not. Huh? Since you feel check that person heart, say, now this kind of person like this, you go live on. You go live on. Huh? You go live on. That person when he talk something when he say he hurt your feelings, it make you go apologize to some person or something like that. He did what he's not supposed to do. You talk what you weren't supposed to talk. That this one can't come out, can't they talk what you not supposed to talk. You understand? It's like they just give her courage, make it do, or maybe because he hears say that guy talk something like that, then he want constantly come and come talk. Huh? That one don't already talk how you want to go. Now he use him man to talk on. Huh? Why with someone like that, this generation, you people don't respect the elders? It is only the gods that strike. We know they keep person. And from royal family, we know they keep person. Of your band, of your bike, your waist, we know they keep person, and gods then they strike. Do you understand? When you do something you don't supposed to do. See, that woman, what you do? They say make they open the book for your own side, what you do so? The ghost when you dey your place, it go even dey hungry with you. Yes, so if not true, this map when you draw so, me or Bana, I go draw and follow you. Because you may be mistake. If not really true, the way I take all these videos, I talk them. If I check. Not true, madam. Even the ghost when you dey your Asian land, it go there against you. You understand? It go there against you. You make one comment, you check. The person they black. You not be waiting, it be. And you know. You just feel say to do something like that, now it be the right thing. Somebody talk what you not supposed to talk for your side. You they wait, make that one come apologize. You understand? Okay, somebody from your side come talk what you not supposed to talk. No them I made the video now you know any carbokmania in your person. No them. On what time 4 days ago now okay Kenya now what talent me again. No there. No there. A week ago, I be 2 weeks ago, everyone can when the rest of them take a loss inside their hands. It's not good. They are forgetting that the God supposed to do his work. It will not balek na women na women. Man, no when you are all ye ba yari unu ye all yari ever oven all ye. A week ago, I be 2 weeks ago. Even though some people don't believe say the God is still existing, because maybe their enemy is too blind to see. Let me put it in this way. You understand? Even though when someone me no keke, it does not mean where in no ye ni kawe bokpanya in or mama no ge. Madam, it's a woman. If not so, madam. See, when they open the book, if you waiting you do, if not so, see the God's way they your land, it don't ready day against you. Go mark my word. You understand? Go mark my word. They know they do like this. When they know say waiting don't come out, it don't come out. If not true, if they hear my comment, if not true, the worst part of it, you say you check, you look the person. Many people they brag, all of them they brag, they'll just sit down. Now so they messenger, now so they send them, now so they be this, now so they people see the way they talk. They just maybe that is the way they express their feelings. Who really know who he be? Go just they watch, they laugh. Mostly when you see through, they say this one just they make noise. This one just they talk. You go just waka live on. Huh? You say you check and you look. Madaesha woman. Wait till you do so if not true. I never look your hand for inside. But if not true, the God's way they in Shaland, it go turn against you. The God's way they this Benin land, it go turn against you. They know they do like that. Juju made the bigger mistake. They know they do like that. Like say you not check. You say you look. Too much story, different story for social media. This one go act, this one go do like, this one go do like, this one go see vision, this one go prophesy, this one go do this one. Many things when people they talk, some of them not they even they mean that. You not go say person talk something, maybe say person just come out. What does that identify you or make you? A evil somebody or a good person? That map when you draw, madam, as you draw that map, if I check, I go draw and follow you. Now you find trouble. Like say you not just check who this person be. Like say you not just know who this person be. Whether he dey blago, he not dey blago, you say you check. Huh? You see the mistake. You say you check, say the person not there like this, not there like this. The God's eyes is still in this Benin kingdom. Of your band from royal family. Of your band, he will not dey keep person. Now the God's night they strike. That person where he talk, waiting he talk when he provoke you. You supposed to know. You understand? Who really get sense? Who really they normal? Who really they do well? Who really know waiting be the right thing to do? That person, you're not supposed to talk something like that. Okay, because of that, this one can't come mat. It can't the throw mat. They go where you're not supposed to throw mat go. Not them, I mean video now. Even the line and then you want stock. By your me when networking, I'm well to in our way new. Huh? Okay, nene we mudia. Yesterday I see this 4 days ago. Person talk am. You know, me again I let when I my phone utana ya boku. 4 days ago, person talk am. I be 3 days ago. Madam is a woman. See, no land where the God's not there. Even though this generation they don't respect tradition. The God is still living, still existing. He's still there. The ghost of our land, our ancestors is there. You understand? When the gods will start to deal with all of them from the root, that will not mean say if the gods strike them, you don't need to respect the dead. You be the good one among God. No, not the people where they say that they do what they're not supposed to do. Madam woman, Asian woman, you say you give this person 7 days. Nah, I never check. I never look into your matter. Now yesterday, between me and the ghost, yesterday, now I take my eye to see your video. why me the vex for wetin you do? You say you take your time to check this person. You check the matter. You look am. You see and say the person dey black. Nothing. When we all know for this social media, all of them are full of stories. This one go come, this one go talk, this one go talk, this one go talk. As if it be say, as this thing can't happen now, na it be say, na it be the better thing. Okay, that one way it talk say it provoke where you come from. It talk what you supposed not to talk for your Asian. The person when he talking. Okay, now he make this one come talk what he not supposed to talk. If they say me they open the book, madam, not be everybody be bad person. Yo. Blood not they enter my hand. The gods are wise. All those kind of one that they do, the gods don't see them. See, one that they behave well. Anybody will create war. Something they grow for under war, something they grow for under war, something they grow for war. Since 2016, you understand me? One that they behave well. Because all those things, anybody will not do well. Now so the gods will continue to distract them from the root. Because enough is enough. For real. Nobody, the one that they behave, nobody they even they respect tradition anymore. So they regard their elders. Look, waiting you talk, say you do Asian woman. When it come out, come talk. You talk like that in public. How you want make somebody give respect to the ghost? And the worst part of it, Asian woman, you say you check this person that like this, not like this. Not in there, they black. When we all know for this social media, many people they come out, they talk, they give name, they black. You see person through us say this person be like this. Why will you? Huh? In fact, not to jump into conclusion. A week ago, I be 2 weeks ago, 10 days. Now I talk and say, it's not good make person they take laws for their hands. If person do something abomination, atrocity, or something that they don't supposed to do in the land, you understand me? Politician, 2 weeks ago, I be 10 days ago. You understand me? Because the ghost is still existing, Mother Asian woman. Our forefather, the ghost of Benin Kingdom, is still existing. You understand? And you make a big mistake whereby your own ghost go turn against you. And the ghost of our land go even turn against you. Why? You say you look this person. You check him. You wear him. You see and say nothing there. Nothing there. Like say you don't know. That one another thing. That one when he talk, waiting he talk, he vex you. Whereby person where be say he correct, he day, he know sense, he know something, he know say not the hot person feeling, maybe person know the talk too much. You understand? Who really know himself? Not go feel the talk waiting not supposed to talk. We all know that. Can you use anger to replace anger? Okay, now this thing, now if not true say na your side, how you want to bring them come? And there wahala dey man Asian woman. Sometimes a good make person they reason, they think for this world. When you don't they carry blood, I don't see any power there. You understand? Make her go look. If not so, now through this side, you not good. Even your own ghost will turn against you. I tell you, as you drop that mapobana may go drown with you. They know they do like that. The ghost of our Benin Kingdom, our ancestors, our forefather, is still existing. It's only those who are blind to see, who their enemy is blind to see, that cannot know, that cannot see. Or those who have do something that the gods is angry with, they cannot know, they cannot see. It still existing. The eyes of the gods is still existing. Mother Asian woman, if not so, what you do, it's not good. It's not good at all. It's not